Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet a zigzag lace which can be used for your necklaces, borders and shawls, as you can see here. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'm going to come right here and slip knot that way. Then I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then I'm going to yarn over, and in this center over here you're going to make 6 double crochet. So put 1 double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we're going to chain 3 again, turn our work, yarn over, going to come right over here in this space of the first stitch. We're going to yarn over, insert a hook, pull through, going to make 6 double crochet, so as you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one more. And to chain 3, turn our work, yarn over, in this space over here insert a hook, make 6 double crochet, then I'm going to make chain of 3 again, turn our work, yarn over, I'm going to put here in the same space, pull through, going to make 6 double crochets, So then chain 3 again, turn your work, yarn over, going to come right here, 6 double crochet as usual, as you can see we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, going to chain 3, turn your work, yarn over, 6 double crochet, so now as you can see this is how it's going to look like. So what we're going to do is going to chain 7, 2 and 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now we're going to come right here on top of this stitch here, and I'm going to make a slip knot that way, chain 7 again, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 and one more, then going to come right over here and going to make a slip knot that way, to chain 7 again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? Then going to come right here in this one, over there, to make slip knot that way. Then to make for our finishing, to make slip knots, as you can see this is how it's going to look like if you make a bigger one, the one I have over here. So this is how it's going to look like. This is a small one that I have made. So if you like my video, please share, like, comment and subscribe. Till then, in my next video, see you, bye bye.